Hello guys and welcome to TechRix tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to change Skype password in mobile. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Skype app right here. And once we do that, on the top left corner, just click your profile icon, which is right here. And then after that, just scroll down until you see this settings icon. So just click that, and then after that, click account and profile. And then after that, just scroll down again until you see your account. And then after that, you will be redirected right here, wherein you will see the change password icon. So just click change password. And then after that, just put your current password. And then after that, just put your new password and then re-enter your new password again. And then click this make me change my password every 72 days. And once you do that, just click save. And then after that, your password on Skype will now be automatically changed. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRix tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.